Hey guys, RPM here. Hope you're doing well, having a really great day. This video, I have a few different topics to talk to you guys about today. In today's video about me moving off of Nicehash, I want to talk about Nicehash then relocating to Switzerland and requiring a KYC, a mandatory KYC by November 4th, and you will be unable to deposit or withdraw your funds by then. So this is actually very huge. All right, so just to give you guys this starting off, all right, so get your funds off of Nicehash if you don't want a KYC, or if you're trying to KYC, I mean, do it now before November 4th. And then I do want to compare, since I've been transitioning away from Nicehash over the past week, I do want to compare my, Bitcoin mining profitability, like how much Satoshis I'm getting per terahash versus the new mining pool that I have been using, and it may surprise you for over the past couple days, okay? So before we go through all that, thank you for today's video sponsor, Crypto Miner Bros. If you guys are looking for all the top ASIC miners available, go check them out, cryptominerbros.com. All the prices you see on their website is to your door. And if you use code RedPanda, you get another $70 off per ASIC miner ordered, and they accept all forms of crypto for payment. All right, so link down below if you guys are interested. Okay, before I read this, Nicehash is relocating to Switzerland, I just wanted to give a disclaimer here for myself. I actually tried to do the KYC here. I got to tier 1, but my issue is that I'm unable to verify my address. Now, I don't know if that's an issue with the company SumSub. This is their, verification platform. But yeah, I've been hearing a bunch of other people having issues. And so, yeah, I have no issues with trying to KYC because I, pay my taxes. I do everything legally. But I understand a lot of people may not want to do this because of privacy reasons, of course, right? So we'll talk about that as we go along. But Nicehash, okay, they're relocating to Switzerland. So this was posted on October 29th of 2024, and I'm going to read this here. Dear Nicehash users, we are delighted to announce an exciting development in the evolution of our company that Nicehash will be moving to a new home in the Crypto Valley, Switzerland. This move brings forward a new era for Nicehash, one which brings us focus to our strengths and core values, mining. As the world's largest hash power marketplace, we are here to provide all of our customers with the best service and peace of mind, and relocating to a country with an advanced regulatory framework, historical financial prominence, and industry experts helps us fulfill this. This change brings forward several structural changes, such as an increase in regulatory requirement that we believe are a net positive for the mining industry, and we are proud to be at the forefront of this movement. How this will affect you. Okay, so this is very important here for people that are using Nicehash. Okay, so starting November 4th, users without completed KYC verification will be unable to deposit or withdraw funds. To ensure uninterrupted access to all services, please complete KYC by this date. As of November 12th, KYC will be fully mandatory, and users without it will no longer be able to mine or access any other Nicehash services. Okay, reading along here, we understand that this request like this can feel personal and challenging. We want to approach this update with transparency. Regulatory requirements and the latest compliance standards have made it essential for us to strengthen our security and compliance practices. This requirement comes in response to evolving global regulations and our commitment to meeting higher compliance standards. These changes not only enhance our platform security, but also ensure that we align with the standards expected of global companies, allowing us to continue serving safely and reliably. If you haven't completed KYC yet, please do so under account limits. For detailed guidance on the process, please refer to our KYC instructions. It is a quick process that takes a few minutes. We sincerely appreciate your understanding and cooperation as we transition to this new era for Nicehash, and huge thank you to all those who have already completed this verification process. Together, we make this industry stronger. Thank you for your cooperation, trust as we make Nicehash an even stronger platform. Your Nicehash team. So Nicehash moving to Switzerland. So they are now having a much deeper, regulatory requirement on their platform, and thus KYC is now a requirement. Now, this may not be an issue for some of you, but maybe for others, it is a big deal. Privacy for some people, depending, what pool they're using, majority of them, they do not require know your customer, okay? Basically providing your personal information simply because governments require it. Regulations from the government. So just a quick thought from myself and from what I've been hearing in my perspective is majority of people that I've talked to will no longer be using Nicehash simply because they do not want to provide their personal information. But there's quite a few businesses that I've talked to that will provide their information because they run this as a business. They pay their taxes and they have no issues doing that. So I'm curious how much of the hash rate that's on Nicehash right now, how much is going to drop off? Or maybe, big players come in and, they're going to KYC, they have no issues with that and are going to add on hash rate to Nicehash. So I'm going to use my video here, and I did do a tweet out on my X account that I taken a screenshot of all the algorithms here on Nicehash algorithms. It's October 30th as of recording. So I'm just going to go back to this maybe after the Nicehash mandatory KYC is in full force. Okay, so maybe we'll do a video after November 12th just to see how much hash rate has gone away or maybe added on some of these algorithms here. So there's Alephium, Nexapal, K Heavy Hash, of course. Nicehash has a good 2 to 4% of the network hash rate of Caspa. But a big one for me, I want to see the differences is in Scrypt and also Bitcoin mining. So they got 8.3 exahash here, which if I were to just compare here, they would be in the top 13th mining pool. Okay, in terms of their hash rate on their against other mining pools here. So that will be interesting to look at over the next 2 weeks. Let me know what you guys think about this. Okay, so now talking about my personal situation here. Over the past week, I've already been moving a lot of my ASICs off of Nicehash onto mining-dutch.nl. I am not sponsored by mining-dutch. I've never spoke with them, never received money or anything from them, okay, in terms of like a sponsorship or anything. So just to have that disclaimer there. You can see here, I have a lot of my Bitcoin ASICs on here now. I have a lot of my Scrypt ASICs as well, and my Z15 Pro and also D9. But the main thing I want to compare here is my Bitcoin mining profitability from Nicehash to mining-dutch. Okay, so on Nicehash, I had about 1,070, 1,080 terahash of Bitcoin miners. Okay, and so but my earnings in terms of the output here per terahash, I was getting about 70 to 71 satoshis back in the 23rd and 19th of October. Okay, so looking at my earnings now on mining-dutch, okay, which I'm gonna look here. Okay, so if I just go to SHA-256, I'm just gonna show you guys how do I navigate this website. If I go SHA-256, so today's the 30th, so I'm not gonna equate this day because it's not over yet. So I'm gonna go the 29th, okay, and we're just gonna see what my earnings are on October 29th. So with 1444 terahash, my BTC to terahash here a day is roughly around 76 satoshis here per terahash. Okay, so that is definitely I'd say 5 or 4 more satoshis per terahash than Nicehash so far on that day. Let's go back another day here. Let's go the 28th. Okay, change period. And going down here, you can see my satoshis per day is at 75. Okay, let's go the next day, previous 27th. Look here. And it's calculating 75 again. Okay, so I'm earning a few more satoshis against Nicehash versus mining-dutch. And with mining-dutch, again, I'm not promoting them or anything, but they do have Fractal Bitcoin and a few other merge mineable coins here, Fractal Bitcoin. And so I actually have them all of them are converting into BTC at the moment, everything. And it looks like I'm earning more because they have a few other merge mineable coins. So just looking at the mining-dutch, they're getting started. They have the Fractal Bitcoin, Terracoin, Syscoin, Emercoin, Zaya, Namecoin, and Myriad Coin for their merge mining on SHA-256. So that's why I think, in my opinion, I've been earning a bit more satoshis here per terahash. Okay, per terahash. Just to give that disclaimer, just because I do have more terahash now on mining-dutch because I just simply turned on a few more workers. It's looking like I'm earning more Bitcoin overall with my SHA-256 miners, as well as my Scrypt miners. But I've already talked about that in another video. I'm not gonna go through that. But just to show you, with 40 gigahash of Scrypt miners, I've earned $96.46 that day. So you guys can compare the math there with these workers that I have: DG1, DG1M, DG1 Plus, L7, LT Lite, Mini Doge 01, Mini Doge 3. So it's been pretty good with my Scrypt miners. All right, but I actually have 2 more mining rigs left, ASICs left on Nicehash, and I haven't found a home for them yet because I don't know where I should move these. So I have 2 K7s, 63 terahash CKB Nervos ASIC miners that I would like to move off. And so I'm going to figure that out another time. So I've just been looking at a few mining pools. I'm thinking about via BTC, but Mining-Dutch doesn't have CKB. So that's why. Otherwise, if they did, I would be mining them. I would be mining them to Mining-Dutch. But just looking here, right, on mining pool stats.stream, there's really only 8 pools here. So I'll choose that another time. But anyways, let me know what you guys think regarding Nicehash, their KYC. Mandatory KYC that's going to be coming up here in the next 2 weeks as well. I mean, this is a big thing here. By November 4th, users without completed KYC verification will be unable to deposit or withdraw. So withdraw your Bitcoin off Nicehash as soon as possible. Okay, if you are watching this video and have Nicehash, then do it. But this is probably the last time for me. I am going to be using Nicehash and I'm going to be completely out. And I just realized I do have a long-term test I'm doing with another account, so I may have to quit that as well. So I better do that right now. All right, I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Have a good one. Smash the like on the way out. Peace out. Peace out.